Now that we know what canning is and how it can help us preserve our harvest, there are a few different ways we can can our produce. So there is water bath canning and there is pressure canning. So the acidity in food is actually what determines which type of canning you will do. So there's a couple videos that will go into more detail on the acidity of foods and the importance of acidity. But for now, we'll just keep it simple and I will explain the different types of canning. So water bath canning, that is for high acid foods, and pressure canning is for low acid foods. Water bath canning specifically. All right, so like I said just a little bit ago, it is best for high acid foods. The heat in the water bath canner, this is a water bath canner, goes to 212 degrees, which is high enough to kill the mold, yeast, bacteria found in those high acid foods. So that would be like jams, jellies, etc. But the 212 degrees also can depend on your altitude, which I will address more in depth later. Now, what must you use for water bath canning? All you really need is a big pot. You might already have one at home that you can use, equipped with a lid and then a rack to lift the jars out of direct heat. So the pot must be deep enough to fully surround and immerse the jars in water by at least 1 to 2 inches to allow for the water to boil rapidly once you have the lid on. So if you don't have a rack designed for preserving, you can use a cake cooling rack, or you can even use extra bands tied together to cover the bottom of the pot. I will show you what those look like, but really, as long as you have those things, you have all you need to safely water bath can at home. So to know what foods are safe for water bath canning and pressure canning, you'll see the video on that specific subject, or you can review our ebook for a full list.